When Instagram login is not working and you're unable to sign into your account, this tutorial will show you two simple methods to fix the problem. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. If your network is slow or disconnected, Instagram may not be able to verify your login details properly. If your internet is working fine, tap and hold the Instagram app. And after go to More Features, tap on it. Then open App Info. Then go to Storage Usage and tap Clear Cache. Once that's done, open Instagram again and try logging in. If the issue still isn't fixed, open your Play Store and search for Instagram. As you can see, on my device, Instagram is already updated, so the update option isn't available. If you see an update button on your device, tap on it and update Instagram to the latest version. After updating the app, open Instagram and try logging in again on your device. But in my mobile, it has already been logged in. In most cases, these two methods will fix the Instagram login not working problem. And that's how to fix Instagram login issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials.